In this video, I will be showing you how you may make the registration process for your registrants smoother with the help of EventNook. First, go to site URL and click on Registration URL. By clicking here, you would be directed straight to the ticket selection page without having to go through your event web page. However, the most popular usage of this feature is by helping your registrants skip the need to input a discount code. What I mean is, EventNook allows you to generate a URL that already has the discount code keyed in, so all your registrant has to do is select the ticket that the code applies to. Let me show you how it is done. Under Registration URL, you would see Generate Registration URL with Discount Code. Then, key in the discount code you want this link to work for. Remember, you must have already created at least one discount code prior for this option to appear. Once a link has been generated, click on it. Then select the ticket the code is for. Scroll down and you would see that the code has already been keyed in. With EventNook, the process has been made easier.